My name's Rob Moles, the company's Shipham Valves and I'm the Managing Director here. Yeah, so Shipham Valves is a 225-year-old company based in Hull. We manufacture valves for the oil and gas industry, from anything from as big as your hand up to something that weighs 4.5 tonnes. We moved from Hawthorne Avenue, which is based in Hull, and we moved out here to the Brough site in 2018. And in the last year, what we've done and what we've developed is we've put a full new machine shop in. So we've put 8 new machines in from varying sizing, but it gives us the capability to machine everything from 1/2 inch up to 42 inch and do have the full control within house. Exporting is the main part of our business, if I'm honest. I would say 85% of what we do, we're exporting. So we generally export to warm waters area of the world, so Middle East, Australasia, Southeast Asia and India. Some people are frightened to do it because they don't know what boxes they've got to tick, what red tape they've got to do. But certainly for SMEs, working with the Lep and working with the DTI, they're able to give you that full support. There's always somebody out there who can support you, and certainly with what we've had from the DTI in the past, there's always somebody you can talk to, or if they don't know, they'll pass you on to somebody who's able to open a door. Like I say, export is the biggest part of our business, and there's a lot of growth potential out there if you just dare to go and do it. We were part of a large corporation, we're now a standalone company, and we're trying to increase our global footprint. So when we're looking at agents in all other countries, we're able to use the DTI and we're able to use their support in country to help us locate suitable agents and work with the people in country to find the right partners to work with. And that's a big part we're working on now, is to be able to get that support in country, because you've got very limited time to go into a country, so it's good to do all the groundwork with the DTI first, go into the country, visit these people, and able to have a fruitful trip when you go.